What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you tuning in. We are out here with my 2006 Nissan 350z that I just finished painting. I mean, it came out amazing. Seriously, if you guys want to watch any of those episodes, I'll put a playlist in the description, first link below. Check it out. It seriously took me, there's like 20 videos. It's pretty awesome. But today we're talking about something that I was curious about, and I've actually got quite a few questions on because of the fact that I haven't been running a front bumper lately. You can probably imagine that the fender liners did not last very long. So I went online and I found these, and this is two different fender liners, one for the right and one for the left. I'm basically gonna explain to you guys if an OEM fender liner, which is in this white box right here, is gonna be more price worth it, or just like more worth it in general than this car parts one. So this is carparts.com. Seriously, the price differences here are kind of probably blow you away. And today we're gonna basically unbox them and see if it's really gonna be worth spending the extra money for the OEM one over the aftermarket one. So first, let's start with the cheap one. So I'm gonna bring this cheap one over here. Now, the thing is about this cheap one is it doesn't stand by itself. It's very thin. This is the box they sent it in. And you can imagine this is like a round fender, or fender liner. So, you know, they just squished it in here. Let me pull this out for you. All right, so let me see, let me put this here. It doesn't stand on its own. So I'm gonna come over here really quick, and I just wanna show you guys an up close. Here's the carparts.com one. I paid $25 shipped out the door for this one. It was $12.99 for the part itself, and then $10 shipping, and then there was like some fees. But I mean, realistically, so I haven't opened either of these boxes, and I'm gonna, you know, this is like my first impression. So right here it says made in Taiwan, and you know, realistically, this is gonna go underneath the car. Like, you're really not gonna see this. And you know, the material, I would say the material, it doesn't necessarily matter, like as long as it, you know, blocks the dirt and stuff like that. So I have not looked at the OEM one yet, so we're gonna actually do that right now. I'm gonna get that out. I'm gonna put this to the side. Like that. Okay, all right, so let me show you this box. Okay, so like I said, that one was $25 shipped. This one was a little bit more. So on z1motorsports.com, which they, you know, source OEM parts for Nissan 350zs and stuff like that, pretty much any Z you could imagine. This is $62 for this fender liner. I don't actually know the shipping. I'm gonna go inside and get the receipt, and I'll put it up on the screen right here for you guys so you can see exactly how much we paid. Seriously, I think it was like $25 shipping, so definitely a lot more. I think we paid over $100 for this fender liner, and I'm gonna explain, you know, or show you guys if it's worth it or not. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm not gonna lie, already the packaging is way better. You know, it is just a fender liner though, so all right. Oh man, so they fill it with paper. It's like a new pair of shoes. Oh, we got Z1 Motorsports decals in here. I didn't get any stickers from carparts.com. And then here it is. All right, so I mean, first impression, I'm gonna walk it over here. I'm not gonna lie, build quality, this one definitely feels, it's definitely more solid of plastic. It's a little deformed right here, but I think that's just the way it was laying. Oh, it looks like it's already gonna go back to normal here, so. And all of the drill points are also here that you'd need, or attachment points. So check this out, you guys. So right here, you can tell this is an OEM part. Boom, Nissan Group. So this is, you know, part number and everything. So definitely an OEM Nissan piece. Is it worth the extra $100? Let me go get the other one. Or I guess worth the extra, what, like 75 bucks, 80 bucks? Okay, let me think here. I think one of these, could you imagine if they're the same? No, they're different. Here they are, next to each other. So I did notice something different, you guys. Robert, can you come over here actually? One sec, I got Robert here. One sec, let me tilt this camera up a little bit. We're cutting our heads off. This is the aftermarket one. So this is the carparts.com one, and this is the OEM one. But as you can tell, here, there's louvers in this. So like air passes through a little bit. And then in this one, you can see here, over there, it doesn't have as many louvers. I don't know if maybe there's some extra drag from the, you know, carparts.com one. So the only louvers it actually is missing is these two top ones right here. So that's really not too much, honestly. Yeah, I mean, we can almost cut them out ourselves. So thank you very much, I appreciate you. Appreciate you. I just wanted to make this quick video. Personally, if it's up to me, $25 or the OEM one, I mean, honestly, the quality of this OEM one is so good. I wish I could, maybe I could like, here, wait, ready? Carparts.com, OEM. See, it's higher pitch, it's more dense plastic, you guys. So honestly, I'd probably go with OEM if I had to order again, just because, you know, I'm gonna put the best that I can get on this car, and I think OEM is gonna be worth it in the end, even though car parts is pretty cheap. So, you know, you get what you pay for, 25 bucks, you know, I'm not gonna lie. You guys, bonus round real quick. Someone messed up at carparts.com and they gave us a 2006 Infiniti G35 under tray, which I think is hilarious because I would use this, but it doesn't fit my car at all. You'd think it would because it's like the same engine as a G35, but it does not fit. I checked the part number and everything. So should I raffle this off? Drop a comment down below if you want this. Maybe I'll give it to someone, I'll pick someone. So drop a comment, maybe I'll pick someone and send it over to you. I already got a box for it right here. So anyways, I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you're curious as to like which, you know, fender liner to get, if you want the expensive one, if you want the cheap one, now hopefully you'll be able to decide a little bit easier. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Drop a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. We just hit 3,200 subscribers and I appreciate every single one of you guys. We have a whole bunch more videos planned with the Z, and we have a whole bunch more mod ideas as well. And I'm thinking about turboing it here coming up shortly. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.